Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best free VPN for PC. So let's get started. So now say hello to Free Planet VPN, your key to a smooth online experience. With Free Planet VPN, you can finally wave goodbye to laggy games and endless buffering during streams. So why use a VPN on your PC? Because every time you connect to the internet without a VPN, you're essentially putting your personal information out there for anyone to see. Hackers, cybercriminals, and even your own internet service provider can track your online activities. Using a VPN isn't just about privacy, it's also about protecting your financial information. Without a VPN, you're at risk of identity theft, credit card fraud, and other cyber crimes. And now the Free Planet VPN features. So these statistics highlight the urgent need for strong cybersecurity. Free Planet VPN offers you a 256-bit encryption, ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. But there's more. We understand that not everyone wants to pay for a VPN, which is why we only offer 5 servers completely free. There is no need to register, and we don't need to log your activity. And if you ever encounter any issues, don't stress. Our 24/7 support team is always ready to assist you. And setting up the Free Planet VPN is just a breeze. Just download the app on your PC or just download or add your browser extension and then you're all set. One click is all it takes to secure your online adventures. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Stay safe online, and until next time, happy browsing.